Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on the impact of social media. Social media helps people stay connected with friends and family. It allows us to share photos, videos, and messages easily. Social media helps in learning new things and gaining knowledge. Many people use it to spread news and important information. It is helpful for students, teachers, and businesses. Too much social media can waste time and distract from studies. Some content can be misleading or fake, so we must be careful. It can affect health if used too much, causing eye strain and stress. Social media should be used wisely and safely. When used correctly, it can be a great tool for learning and fun. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.